Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. So I'm starting to put some of my seed starts in this raised bed. We've gone ahead and added some compost, but something else that we've added that we're really excited is we have a mushroom grower up in Fort Worth, and after his mushrooms are complete and harvested, he is giving us his spent blocks. And why do we want those spent blocks? Because they have beneficial fungi and other composting factors to them. And these are what those spent blocks look like. These are my cabbages. So I've got them lined out where I'm gonna put them, and you can see where Greg took some of those spent blocks and mixed them in with some of our compost. And this raised bed was already looking fantastic because we used the mycorrhizal fungi when we grew our green beans in here. So there's a lot of beneficial compost in this raised bed. And we are expected to get some cooler temps this week. So I'm excited to get these in the ground. So Wednesday it looks like our cold front's gonna move through, and it's gonna throw us down into the upper 50s at night, guys, and lower 70s during the day. And I hope that lasts a little while. We'll take the 80s, but we would prefer middle to upper 70s to help get our fall crop going, because we've really been nipped in the bud. Now this is what our soil with some of those mushroom blocks looks like. Guys, it's just as fine as it can be. So hopefully my new little starts will take off in here, especially with the cooler weather expected. It is already hot this morning though for October the 2nd. We're gonna get up to around 90, 91 degrees. And then I think tomorrow around 90 degrees. But I tell you what, it don't feel like October right now. Hopefully that's gonna change here real soon. So here's a close-up of one of those spent mushroom blocks. Guys, these are rich in bacteria. They're rich in fungi. They're very good to add to your beds to supplement the nutrition and to supplement your soil, and also to retain moisture, just like your mushroom compost. So this bed put a pretty good dent in some of my seed starts out there. And then I have my front raised bed, which I had planted some earlier, and I think the heat got them. So I have some room up there. Let's go check it out. But look, these pill bugs are in here. So I'm gonna have to probably put some slug away in these beds. We are still struggling with those, guys, just like we did at the beginning of the season. And we're gonna have to fight them, it looks like, through this year and through probably the spring next year. And the Slug Away Plus really worked well for us. So some in this front raised bed has made it, but they're struggling. But you can see I'm getting some insect damage over there that might be leaf miners. But there's others, there's more spots in here that I need to go ahead and fill back in, which I'll do. Maybe, since this one is full sun and that one up there has shade cloth on it, I'll probably wait till tomorrow to do this, since we're going to get rain and cooler temps starting on Wednesday. But I did go ahead and seed some lettuce in here, and it's starting to come up. But again, it struggled as well, so I reserved some seed back to make sure that I can resprinkle if I need to. So that's a reason why we do a lot of seed starts, because we know that we may lose some either in the seed starting process, the transplanting process into the 3-inch pots, or the transplanting process into the garden itself. So we do usually start extras just in case, to make sure I can try to get something. I can try to get something, guys, especially this fall. So summer's not quite done with us yet, at least for the next couple of days, but I hope it's done with us after this week. And it looks like that front's going to push pretty far south. I hope Mike and Rochelle, y'all get it down there at Central Texas Homestead. And goodness gracious, Sharon, I hope y'all do down there at Hanson Legacy Farms, because we all need it, don't we? We all need this cool weather, and we all need the rain. and our plants need it. And if we get this and it's an extended time, which I hope it is, we should really see some progress here around the farm. So I'm very excited about that. But I wanted to give you an update on these spent mushroom blocks. So if you can find somebody in your area that is growing culinary mushrooms, you might reach out to them and see what they do with their spent blocks, if they just throw them out. I've seen some people sell them for $1 a block, and then our guy we can get for free, and we're hoping that we can pick them up maybe every couple of weeks to supplement the farm and the farm soil to help things retain moisture and retain the fungus and retain the bacteria and just give us a good head start. So that's an idea for you guys. That's a project. Let me know what you find out. We love you. Take care. God bless. We'll be in touch this week. Look for me doing the happy dance on Wednesday. See you soon. Love you.